The internet has revolutionized how we earn a living. Today, countless opportunities exist to generate income online, and one such avenue is dropshipping. With dropshipping, you can be your own boss, set your own hours, and achieve financial freedom from home. Imagine waking up excited to check your sales, not dreading the daily commute. Let's embark on this exciting journey together and unlock the potential of online income. Dropshipping is a simple, yet powerful business model that allows you to sell products online without holding any inventory. Here's how it works. A customer visits your online store and purchases a product. You forward the order and customer shipping information to your dropshipping supplier. The supplier processes the order and ships the product directly to the customer. You don't have to worry about inventory management or a large upfront investment. This streamlined approach allows you to focus on finding winning products, marketing your store, and providing excellent customer service. Dropshipping offers a plethora of benefits over traditional business models. First, there are low startup costs. You don't have to purchase products until they are sold, reducing your financial risk. Run your dropshipping business from anywhere with an internet connection. Set your own hours and work at your own pace. Choose from a vast array of products to sell without being limited by physical inventory constraints. With no inventory to manage or shipping to handle, your overhead costs are minimal. Dropshipping makes it easy to experiment with different products and niches. You can quickly add or remove products from your store based on customer demand. Without the burden of inventory management and shipping logistics, you can dedicate more time to marketing your products and driving sales. These advantages make dropshipping an incredibly appealing business model for entrepreneurs of all levels. It's a low-risk, high-reward opportunity that empowers you to build a successful online business on your own terms. Section 4. Launching your dropshipping venture, a step-by-step roadmap. Ready to embark on your dropshipping journey? Follow these essential steps. First, niche selection. Identify a profitable niche with high demand and low competition. Research trending products and analyze competitor stores. Next, market research. Conduct thorough market research to understand your target audience. Now, supplier sourcing. Find reliable dropshipping suppliers who offer high-quality products and competitive prices. Then, online store setup. Create a professional-looking online store using platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce. Product listing comes next. Add your chosen products to your store with compelling descriptions and high-quality images. Lastly, marketing and promotion. Develop a comprehensive marketing strategy to drive traffic to your store and generate sales. Section 5. Navigating the dropshipping landscape. Tips for success. Here are some practical tips to help you navigate the dropshipping landscape. First, focus on a niche. Specializing in a specific niche allows you to establish yourself as an authority. Next, build a strong brand. Create a memorable brand identity and deliver exceptional customer service. Offer high-quality products. Partner with reputable suppliers who provide high-quality products. Optimize your website. Ensure your website is user-friendly and mobile responsive. Leverage social media. Harness the power of social media to connect with your target audience. Provide excellent customer service. Respond to customer inquiries promptly and resolve issues efficiently. Track your metrics. Monitor your key performance indicators and analyze your data. Stay adaptable. Stay updated on industry trends and adapt to changing consumer behavior. Section 6. Scaling your business. From side hustle to empire. As your dropshipping business gains traction, consider scaling your operations. First, expand your product offerings. Introduce new products that complement your existing offerings. Next, outsource tasks. Delegate tasks such as customer service and order fulfillment to virtual assistants. Invest in paid advertising. Scale your marketing efforts with paid advertising campaigns. Explore new sales channels. Sell your products on marketplaces like Amazon and eBay. Build a team. Assemble a talented team to support your expansion. Automate processes. Implement automation tools to streamline your business processes. Reinvest profits. Continuously reinvest a portion of your profits back into your business. Section 7. Embrace the freedom. Your journey to financial independence begins now. Dropshipping offers an unparalleled opportunity to achieve financial independence. It's a business model that empowers you to be your own boss and set your own hours. As you embark on your dropshipping journey, remember that success requires hard work and dedication. Imagine having the freedom to escape the 9-to-5 grind, work from anywhere and set your own hours, achieve financial security and build a sustainable income stream. Dropshipping is more than just a business model. It's a gateway to a life of freedom and fulfillment. Embrace the freedom that dropshipping offers and embark on your path to a brighter future. The world is waiting for you to make your mark. Your journey to financial independence begins now.